my YouTube. So it's time to switch out the grill. And we got the Billet grill in the back. I posted this online so I can sell it. I'll show you the Billet grill. Here it is. Just gonna look clean. At the end, we got the screws and the owner's manual. And I'll probably put these after I'm done, since I do have to take out the whole assembly right here. And plus, I'm gonna clean it out. As you can see, it's pretty dirty inside. The LEDs are pretty bright. I'll show you really quick. They look nice. Can't wait till I get the high beams and the fog lights. I'm also gonna buy something for the fuse box, where I can turn on my fog lights, high beams, and low beams at the same time whenever I turn on my high beams. And that's just another video. But yeah. So the first thing you're gonna do, if you're gonna put a T-Rex grill in here, you gotta remove these 6 plastic, probably 8 I think, or 7, and you gotta take those plastic pins out. Then after that, get you a screwdriver, and you're gonna see these right here. It's gonna unlock it so you can pull it back out. And there's another one hidden right there. You can see it, and another one right there. And that's pretty much it. And then you just gotta remove this 10mm bolt, and you're good to go. All you gotta do now is, you see them clips right there, just tug on it like that, and same as this side, but I'm gonna do it off the camera so my phone don't fall. So what we did here is, it had some clips, like those right there, and we just popped them off, and at least we don't have to cut here anymore. But we do have to cut right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here, and right here, right here, right here. And we're gonna start putting in the grill. We're probably gonna drill in some holes here later on, so we can put the grill on. And we're gonna do the same on this side. See this one right here? Pretty much done. My dad there. So I cleaned them up a little bit. I just took a magnet and put it in where the bolt goes, and this will be inside. And I just got another magnet. Let me show you really quick. Where I just went like that, and I guided it, and I cleaned the inside. But yep, you got the LEDs in. And now we're just gonna drill the holes on the grill, and we're gonna put it right in. And yeah, we're almost close to done. So we're putting in the screws and the flat nut, just so it won't move anywhere. And that's how she's looking. It's looking good. And I'm gonna do the same to the top side. And once everything is done, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna pop everything in place and show you the truck when it's done. Yeah. Let me just take it off really quick. Just take everything out. There she is. Just the Billet grill. She looking nice, man. I like it. Tell me how it looks. This is gonna get changed. The part is gonna come in probably in 2 weeks. I don't know why it took them forever to ship it out, but it's gonna ship out the 19th. But this is gonna be a chrome emblem here. The fog lights, they're gonna come in next week, and I already got the LEDs to go in with it. And yeah, I'll probably paint this to black since it's gray. I'm gonna match it with this. But yeah, man, I'm done. She's looking mean. And yeah, man, hopefully you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Peace.